Are you feeling overwhelmed as a beginner in launching your online business? See, many believe they need everything to be perfect before promoting their online business. The truth, you don't need a perfect plan. What you really need is a solid social media strategy. Today, I'm giving you a simple 7-day plan that will create excitement and connect with your audience before you launch. By doing this, you will create anticipation, loyal customers, and people who will ready to support you when you launch. So let's get started. Day 1, announce your business to the world. This day is all about letting people know that you're launching a business. And here's how you're gonna do it. Start with a teaser post. Say something like, something exciting is coming up. I'm launching my online business and I can't wait to share it with you. And you can put at the end, comment interested below, and I will send you exclusive updates. And you can also use like an email sign up link to start collecting emails, and you'll use this list to keep your audience engaged. Day 2, share why you started. This day is all about connection. People don't buy products, they buy from people they trust. So share your story. Why did you decide to start an online business in the first place? For me, it was tired of missing out moments with my kids while stuck in a 9 to 5. And maybe for you, it's financial freedom or escaping from burnouts or having more control of your time. So here's a post idea. I started this business because I was tired of feeling stuck in my job. I wanted time for my family and financial stability. What about you? Have you ever thought about starting something for yourself? Let me know in the comment, right? See, your story equals your superpower. Let them relate to you. Now, day 3, be intentional and invite engagement. This day is all about engagement. We want to make our audience feel included. And here's how you're gonna do it. You can start by posting a question or polls. Say something like, if you could start a business today, what would it be? Comment below. Or you can also use polls stickers on your social media and ask, would you love to make money online? Yes or no? Or you can say something like, what's your biggest challenge in starting a business? And then you can provide options. Day 4, show what you built. This day is about showing that you actually built something. Share what you've created so far, whether if it's your website, your logo, your product, or just your business idea. Then you can make a post. Here is an example of a post idea. I have been working behind the scene of something exciting. I can't wait to show you how you can do this too. Who's ready? Or you can do a behind the scene content. So you can go live or post a reel showing how you're setting up your business. And people love to follow your journey. Day 5, the turning point. Why this business worked, why your product worked. This day is all about credibility. Show why this online business works, whether if it's your own progress or a success story from others. Here are some ideas. Post an idea. I was skeptical at first, but I have seen moms just like me quit their 9 to 5 by using the exact system. If they can do it, why not me? Or you can share proof. You can post messages from other moms who have started and are making money online. See, when you share success stories, it builds confidence. And when you're ready to launch, you're in it for a good start. Day 6, create urgency and let them know they can join you also. Day 6 is all about making sure people know they can join you. See, people hesitate when they don't realize an opportunity is also open for them too. So here's a post idea. I've just opened up spots for others to learn how to do this with me. Drop an info below if you want more info. Or you can go live. Explain how your business works, why it's great for your target audience, and answer any questions they have. And day 7, celebrate your first sale or win. Day 7 is all about celebrating. Whether it's your first sale, your first lead, or just the fact you took action. Here's a post idea. OMG, I just made my first sale online. This is proof that moms like me can build a business online from home. Who wants to learn? Another post could be a gratitude post. You can thank your audience for supporting you. Let them know you're here to help them do the same. Once you go through the 7-day launch plan, repeat the process. Keep sharing, engaging, and showing proof that your business works. And here's how to take it even further. You can start creating a landing page. You can use tools like StanStore or System.io to create a landing page, and you can use that to collect emails and then go live once a week to answer any questions. Now, if you have been waiting for a sign to start your online business, this is it. Now, if you don't have a business idea yet or want to learn through a proven system that will provide you with all the tools and skills and support to launch and make money online, check out the link in my description below to get access to a free guide on how you can get started.